Hey everyone, this is Justitech and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will show you how you can completely bypass the iPhone 5s, whether it's a GSM or MEID, with all the services including your SIM will work, your network, cellular data, all iCloud services including FaceTime, Siri, notification, App Store, like everything will work after the iCloud bypass, and we can all do this on our Windows machines. And I will tell you step by step each and everything about this method, so make sure that you watch the video till the end to know all the things and process. And this method will completely support the latest iOS 14.6 and also 14.7 beta, so you can easily do that on the latest iOS version including the iPhone 5s to iPhone X. Whether you have a GSM model or MEID, that doesn't matter, so you can apply on all the devices that support with the checkra jailbreak. So let me just go to my computer screen and show you the step-by-step process. Now the step number 1, you have to go to the 3 tools and flash your device completely with a quick flash mode. It's important because earlier if you used any other bypass tool, that will create issue in this new bypass tool. So make sure that you completely flash your device, whether you can use the 3 tools or iTunes to completely restore, and then you can proceed further. Now the flashing part is done. Now the next part is you need to jailbreak your device with the checkra jailbreak. I have already made the checkra ISO file for the latest version, that is the 12.4, and the older version also. So for this process I'm using the iPhone 5s, so for that I will use the checkra 0.10.2. so make sure that for iOS 12 you have to use the checkra 0.10.2, and for iOS 13 and the 14 you can use the latest, that is the 0.12.4. and all these files links in my description blog link, so you can easily download it from there. So first I have to make the USB bootable, so for that just open the Rufus tool and insert your USB stick, and after that just import the checkra 0.10.2 and just flash it. Now once the USB bootable process is completed, just simply reboot the PC and boot the checkra from it. Now we have successfully run the checkra 0.10.2. For the latest iOS 14 and 13 you can use the 0.12.4, but I have an iPhone 5s that is running on the iOS 12.5.3, and you can use the same method for GSM and MEID, so you can apply the same process for all these models like iPhone 5s to iPhone X. Now simply start jailbreak. Now in order to jailbreak the iPhone 5s you have to apply some trick. So for that you have to unplug and replug the cable. So I will tell you exactly when you have to do that. So it will take around 1 to 2 minutes in iPhone 5s to jailbreak, so it's very normal. And after that you will see the right before trigger. At the time of that you have to unplug and replug your USB cable fast and immediately. After that you will see your booting is started and checkra loader on your device, and also you will see DFU sync upload fail -1, so just ignore that warning. You have to just all done in the end, and that means the jailbreak is completed. If you see any other error you can just try it again and apply the same process, and then your jailbreak will be completed. Now we are done with the jailbreak part. Now just quit the checkra loader, and on the terminal you have to type the reboot and hit on enter, and after that your PC will be automatically restart. Now once you are on Windows machine you need to install the VMware and the Mac operating system on your virtual machine. I have already made the dedicated video on that, like how you can install that on your Windows machine and step-by-step procedure. So watch this video, I will give links in the description, or watch from the pinned comment also. So you need to set up the Mac operating system on your Windows machine through the VMware or virtual machine. So I recommend you to use the VMware, that is more suitable for Mac. Now after everything's set, now just open your Safari browser and you have to go to the checkmate.info website, and you need to download the latest version of the software. It supports the iOS 12 to the 14.6, even the beta 14.7, and you can check the prices for the MEID and GSM. So MEID and GSM prices are same for the 14.6. So you need to download the latest version of the software. Now first you need to allow from the security and the privacy. Now just allow the app, and after that you can easily install it. Now the application is installed. Now in order to connect your device through the virtual machine, you need to follow some important step. So I will show you how you can connect the device successfully. So first you need to allow some settings in your virtual machine. If you follow my previous video, in that I have already shown how you can connect that, and you have to change the USB setting. Now you need to go to USB controller, and after that you have to select the 2.0 instead of 3.0. By default it is 3.0, so you need to first do the 2.0 or 1.0, and you can try on both and it will work. Now I have set the settings to 2.0. Now I will connect my device. Now you need to select that option, connect to the virtual machine, and after that select your macOS 10.13 or 10.14 or any version you have installed, and then click on OK. Now the device will not show immediately on VMware, so you have to wait for the 15 to 20 seconds, and after that your device will be show. So just wait, and then you will see your tool will be detected. Now as you can see, the tool is detected my iPhone 5s, and you can check and verify from the settings also. If not, you have to just select the Apple iPhone, and then your device will be connected. Now after that you have to register your device, so just click on start and it will open the registration process. So my iPhone 5s is already registered, so I will connect my another iPhone, that is iPhone 6, to show you the order form. So after that you will see your IMEI number. You need to enter your name and valid email address so that your invoice will be getting on your email. And after that you need to apply a promo code to get some discount, that is the Just a Tech, and you have to just click on apply promo code and you will get some discount. And this price is for iPhone 6 because my iPhone 5s is already registered, so I have connected the different model. So show you the order process. So check the price list according to model and apply the coupon code Just a Tech to get some discount. And you can apply the same promo code on the iRemove tools, that will also work. And after that just click on start, and this time you will see your device will be getting bypassed. Now when you see the message that iCloud bypass is successful, and your device will be directly go to the home screen. Now everything is set, you can easily use your device normally and all the services will work. Now firstly I will insert the SIM card and show you the calling is working. So you can use any SIM card that's supported by your device like 2G, 3G and 4G. So you can use any SIM card, that must be valid SIM card, and you can easily make the calls and use the cellular data. Now once the SIM is inserted, you need to manually reboot your device so that all the carrier setting will be updated. So I will just reboot the device. And now you can see the searching on the top, and your carrier name will be shown there, and you can see my SIM is detected and network is fully working. So let me just place a call and see that the calling is working or not. Now the calling is working perfectly. You can see that you can use any SIM card and place the call without getting call fail. Now next thing I will show you the iCloud services is working or not. So you can use your own Apple ID account, or you can create the new one and successfully log into your own iCloud account and use any iCloud services, whether FaceTime, iMessage, Siri. So you can use all of that. Now my iCloud account is working, so you can use your own Apple ID account, or you can also create the new one, and all the iCloud services will work. Now next we will see the FaceTime is working. So you can see the FaceTime is properly working, and you can do the FaceTime to your friends. Now let's set up the Siri and see the Siri is working or not. Hey Siri, open the Safari. So Siri is also working. Now let's check the cellular data is working or not. So first I will open my settings and on the cellular data and turn off the Wi-Fi. Now you can see I'm running the same data and my Wi-Fi is off. Let me just open a website and show you it's working. Now the cellular data is also working. So you can follow the same process on all the iPhone or iPad model that support the checkra jailbreak, whether you have a GSM model or MEID model that running on the latest 14.6 or 14.7 beta. So you can same apply procedure and run all the services including your SIM very easily. So let me just reboot the device again and show you this method is completely untethered, and after the reboot your device will be not get locked again. Now my device is on and everything is working fine after the reboot also. So the calling is working, iCloud services is working, so all the work very well. So just check the description link and register your device and use the coupon code JustATech and get some good discount and bypass your MEID or GSM device completely. So that's all for this video. I hope you like the content, so just hit the like button. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.